Prepositions of place. The dog is on the doghouse. The dog is beside the bowl. The dog is in the doghouse. The dog is in front of the doghouse. The dog is behind the doghouse. The dog is between the doghouse and the tree. The dog sleeps under the tree. The butterfly flies above the dog. The dog is jumping over the doghouse. The balloon is going up. The dog came down from the tree. The dog is far from the doghouse. The dog is near to the doghouse. The butterfly is flying around the tree. The butterfly passes through the rain. The dog came out of the doghouse. The dog went into the doghouse. The dog is sleeping among the flowers.